What's up, guys? Over here at Edward's shop. Got the new motor over here. Boxes of parts. We got the car up. Exhaust is off. We got almost ready to let it down. Me and Edward did all the work. And Josh is doing not a damn thing. So give you an update when we get the motor out. So we got the motor almost out.
Josh finally came to help.
Josh is finally here. Even though he's all clean and looks like he just fucking came from dinner. We left one cable on the power.
And there's alternator one too.
We left two cables. One there, one there.
You have one, yeah.
And then it's out.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I got a up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I woke in a bar today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost.
What's going on over here, Eric?
I fucking lost my discs. It fell off while I was installing. Here we go. It's fucking on. It's on. We got the. This is the. I don't even know.
How many discs does that thing have?
10. Guaranteed to hold any power your shit can make.
Look at this. Somebody can look at this.
Fuck.
Don't worry, Eric knows what he's doing.
Oh,
he's a professional.
No, he doesn't.
You just fucked this clutch up, dude.
That's a nice way to spend.
I think.
What? $8,000?
There's no I think, man. Come on.
Fuck. I'm not sure if the first one was fucking in there or not.
That's one way to spend $8,000.
Because it's not like sitting flush. Fucking bitch. Let me
It's
take it
not,
back
huh?
off. It's not, huh?
How many bleeps are you gonna have on this video?
Too many.
I told you it wasn't on there. God.
Too many. This motor's out.
That's the only thing he's done all night. Been vlogging.
What's that?
Look at him. Tell him something, Eric.
I'm doing a good job doing it.
Stress.
What about this, Edward? What is this junk?
Scrap metal.
It's only good for a table.
Yep.
He's gonna use that for our yacht.
For a yacht?
For our yacht anchor.
Yeah.
He's gonna make sure that.
You use that instead of your parachute.
Yes, sir.
It'll stop you.
Let's try this. Insert my insertion.
Dude, we're freaking dual gangbanging this. What do you say?
That's it. It's fucking so
Slide it in.
It's so fucking tight on my fucking finger. Ow, bitch. There we go. I think I got it. Dirty, right? Oh.
So I was pretty much doing all the work the whole time. So now they decided to start putting shit together over here.
Fuck. Alright, it's going back in. We got one person on their phone, another person on their phone. I did all the fucking work. I put the whole motor together. Look at all those accessories on the front of that motor. Put those on.
Alright, let's go.
Look at those billet motor mounts that are over there on the ground because they did not work. You know, I think me and Edward deserve. Josh should take us out to dinner because he didn't do shit.
Pulling his weight.
He did not pull his weight tonight.
Break time.
Look at him.
It's on break time?
It's not. No. As soon as the camera went off, he sat down. Oh shit! So we're back, day 2. We got the motor out, stuff loaded up. We were putting the the trans on. Had to get a new slave again for the 4th time. The one they sent doesn't work. As you can see, the bell housing's back off because there's no pilot bearing. Who does that? Who doesn't check to see if there's a pilot bearing in there? I guess I don't check because I thought it would have came in there personally, but it wasn't. This Tilton 6000, this is too tall, so we're just gonna go with a good old-fashioned stock one. I'm gonna finish pulling the clutch off, put that in, then hopefully put the trans in, let it down, and it'll be done for the day. All right, we got the car all loaded up. Show you what we did. We finished up at Eddie's shop. The new motor is in. Put a new bell housing in. I took off the ABS. I put the line lock in the, I don't even know what that is, to distribute the pressure to the front to the rear. Took the battery out. I think we're gonna get away with moving all this stuff out, but the LSX block is in. We're on the way. Hopefully we'll get some video of where we're going, and that'll be it for this episode. So the red Camaro is gonna be gone for maybe 2-3 months, getting its turbo kit installed, fabbed up. So hopefully it's ready before Texas 2K. Peace.